So let's go ahead. This is our Google Ads dashboard. This is what's going to pop up. You can see our clicks, our average cost per click, and then our cost overall that it has run for us. Here's our campaigns. We can make more campaigns if we would like to. You can add more keywords right here in this dashboard. It's brand new. We made a tutorial about this last year, so it should probably stick like this for a while. So here's our different keywords. So this is something really cool. You don't want anything popping up in certain things. So maybe I never want my ad to show up for something. Like worst ad agency, right? Like worst ad agency, NYC, right? Things like that. And I can go ahead and I can add this to my campaign. Right, so we got to select a campaign. Let's add it to it. So now I can block this word. Basically, I won't show up for this word. And you can go and fill this out if you feel like. So let's go back and click on our campaigns. Or go back and click on Google Ads. What I would suggest doing at this point, you can run your ads through this dashboard. What I would suggest doing is go ahead and create a couple of different ads, and then try and test those. There's a lot of testing that's going to be involved. It's not something that I can show you specifically, because it's something that's going to take weeks. How these ads are performing in a couple of weeks, let me know down in the comment section. But this should really get you started here. I really hope you found some value in this.